These are the only pieces that I am taking for a 3-week trip to China. I want to show you how I can turn these, I think 17 pieces, including the bags and shoes, into many different outfits. I have a couple t-shirts that are just fun, like cute little prints. This is from Uniqlo. This is the collection with John Basket, if I'm pronouncing it right. I believe on the back it actually has the name. Yeah, John Michael Basket. I don't know. He's very famous. And I'm very bad at pronouncing names, so apologies. And then this is the Fiorucci tee that I've styled in a few videos in the past. I just really like this t-shirt. Also a little H&M tank here that I raved about last year. I also ordered this in the striped version from one of my latest Who Does It Best videos because I tried it on in the store and I really like the striped. It reminds me of the Celine tank, so casual options. And then this is basically my sleepwear. So I got this in the size extra large. This is the Uniqlo and Andy Warhol collection, and obviously in the very classic Campbell's tomato soup print, and it's really long, so I can wear it over like leggings on casual days, but also this is just gonna be my sleepwear that can also be worn out. So looking to pieces that are versatile like that. And I love Uniqlo t-shirts because they're made of really high quality, like thick but also soft cotton material. So highly recommend. And then a few more fancier tops. I have this Tory Burch printed top that I wore recently and just really love the fun print. I think this with, as you can see, my bottoms are pretty plain, would really make the outfit stand out. And then a pretty simple white knitted shirt. This is the other issue when I'm packing. It's gonna be basically high 50s to high 60s, sometimes 70s weather. So very much that like transitional spring weather. And I'm just not sure if I'll be cold or hot. So I'm literally bringing like a thicker sweater, but also very summery pieces for me to have options. This is a great transitional piece. This is another Tory Burch cashmere. It's like a half sleeve sweater. So this is just really great for when I'm not sure if I'll be, you know, cold or not. And this is another Uniqlo piece. It's a fuzzy sweater. I'm going to wear this on the flight to stay cozy, but also great for just chilling around. And then this last top is a Tory Burch shirt. I got it in the size 8. So this is very much oversized for me, and I still have the tag on because I haven't worn it. But I really love the collar detail. The pastel yellow definitely gives me the spring vibes. I'm excited to style it. For bottoms, we have my Lululemon line for traveling, or I mean, I doubt I'm gonna work out there, but if I want to work out, that's an option. This is my Naked Fashion striped pants with slits. You would have seen this from my recent Prada handbag styling video, which is this bag that I am bringing, super versatile. And this is a maxi knit skirt from Mango last year, maybe 2 years ago. This is my trusty Levi's in this beautiful like beigey neutral color. That's gonna go with everything. My sneakers, these are brand new. I've never worn them, so I'm putting it on my bed, but otherwise I would never put my shoes on the bed. These are from Tory Burch, just really cute with like ruffle detail. I just want a pair of simple shoes that can be easily dressed up or down. As you can see, most of these outfits are pretty casual, so I feel like it'll go with the vibe of these little dainty white sneakers. And then I have my Uniqlo sling bag. This is like the viral bag. Literally, I was walking in Soho earlier today, and I've probably seen at least 5 to 10 people wearing the exact same bag. I mean, it's waterproof and it's viral for a reason. Even though it looks similar size to the Prada re-edition, this fits a lot more. It can fit like water bottle, a book, you know, crazy things. And for outerwear, I'm only bringing one, which is my Zara quilted oversized jacket. I loved using this in all my styling videos, and I actually wear this a lot. I feel like this neutral color just goes with everything here, but also it's comfortable, but it also has some design elements. If you mix match these 7 tops over here, let's discount the oversized tee because I don't think it goes with all of the bottoms. And then if we put away the leggings, 7 tops, 3 bottoms can put together 21 outfits. And I am going to be in China for pretty much 21 days. So this is perfect. And also I'm gonna do a bit of layering to, you know, add more interest. Let's actually get into the styling. Starting with outfits that feature my Levi's wedgie in the natural beige ivory color, and I'm gonna wear everything with this pair of sneakers. As you can see, it is just really cute with pretty much any outfit. You will soon find out. I'm wearing my H&M tank and then the Uniqlo crossbody bag. The color story of this outfit, very neutral, but I am mixing slightly different shades of these neutral colors. I just love how put together this outfit looks, and it also looks really elevated but also very, very comfortable. This yellow shirt is gonna be our best friend to jazz up any outfit. So in this case, I'm wearing this almost as an outerwear piece, and I think it goes really well with the Prada re-edition. I can also wear this bag as a crossbody, so just really, really versatile. And I just love the pastel yellow against a very neutral outfit. This is the ultimate spring outfit. For a layering look, I'm simply putting the Zara quilted coat over the outfit, and now you can kind of see the multiple layers of the outfit. I love how the cuff of the shirt just goes very well, kind of covering the cuff of my coat. Looks like these 2 pieces are almost part of one piece. I just really, really love all the sandwich coloring of my ivory, my yellow, and then ivory underneath again. For a nice casual look, I am wearing my Fiorucci graphic tee and then the quilted jacket over. I think just goes so well with the Uniqlo crossbody bag. This is extremely oversized sweater. I think it's just really great for the casual days, and I can even wear it just long like this because the pants taper in at the bottom. I actually think this is not too bad for an outfit. And if you want to look a little bit taller in this outfit, wear the crossbody bag more up top so that it almost looks like your waistline starts here, and it just really serves well to define the waist area of the outfit. You can never go wrong with an oversized graphic tee, and because this tee is in a darker gray, I just love the contrast against my lighter denim. And I actually think in this case, instead of making this outfit casual, you can actually contrast it with a shoulder leather bag. I love the carefree vibe of this outfit, and I mean, it's so simple to put together: oversized tee and a pair of denim and your favorite sneakers. I don't know if I'm actually gonna wear it this way, but technically if your sweater is long enough, you can just wear it as a sweater dress. I would probably feel more comfortable if I have some sort of biker shorts or something underneath, but just to throw out another potential outfit idea, I think this is a little bit risque for me because it is quite short, but it does go really well with the slit front striped pants. Very oversized top, but more flattering bottom for another casual yet put together outfit. This is definitely a preppier option, I'm wearing my shirt with the couple of buttons unbuttoned on top. I love the kind of hidden deep V effect. It's really flattering, makes your torso look a little bit shorter. And then I just belted over the pants to kind of define my waistline. And I love the volume that the shirt creates. To be more carefree, you can definitely just wear the shirt over and just forget about the best proportion or whatever, but it actually gives off a more casual vibe to the outfit. And you can even do the half tuck so that you still see a little bit of the waistline. A very clean look with the white tee. As you can see, it fits me perfectly. I got in the size extra small. And what I love about Uniqlo t-shirts is when you do get the fitted size, the sleeves aren't so tight so that the sleeves are still very flattering. And I love the pocket position and the cute little dinosaur design. Just adds a little pop of detail, and the dark color ties well with the dark pants, and pairing it with a casual crossbody bag. This is definitely a great just travel outfit. I can also wear the oversized shirt as outerwear and have a little bit of a layered look. Another very simple but still really cute outfit. I have the printed shirt as the layering piece. So if you're too worried about wearing just the layering piece, the pattern being too loud, then if you wear something over and have the pattern peek through a little bit, I think this is the perfect little pop to an otherwise pretty simple outfit. A little bit unexpected, contrasting the rigid shirt material against a very soft and flowy knit material. But because you still see the waistline, I think it's overall still a very flattering look. And look at how well the yellow and the print underneath complement each other. Oh, love it. Very cozy look with pretty much soft materials all throughout. But I just love the coloring of this outfit. It's gives me a little bit of Japanese fashion vibes. Just oversized, comfortable, and very spring friendly. An even cozier look, I have the white knitted top, but then I draped over my oversized sweater. I know some people find this very obnoxious, but I think because this sweater is so soft and so oversized, it actually looks more like a shawl, and I love this vibe. And the coloring of everything just goes so well. I hope that the little bit of styling just now showed you how versatile this capsule travel wardrobe is. And I think the key here is to pick out items that are neutral but in different category, whether it's different material, different sleeve lengths, maybe different colors, different fit / silhouette, so that your outfits can be just a bit more interesting, and the tops especially can even layer with each other very well. I hope that this video gives you some inspiration if you are also looking to a spring capsule or a travel capsule, and I will see you in one of these ones. Bye!